Actions speak louder than words. In Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where high-concept furniture designers at DONAR make responsible products an everyday norm. As one of the leading manufacturers in sustainable design, DONAR has been bridging the gap between a product's life cycle and the consumer's understanding of aesthetics and waste for more than 30 years. Today, when the need to reduce our carbon footprint is greater than ever before, DONAR's designers have found a way to improve the longevity of their 100% recycled products and turn waste materials into thoughtfully designed and aesthetically made interior pieces.
Design is not just about lines and beauty. It's foremost about its social impact. That's why we strive to produce only sustainably oriented products which can be renewed and reused even after they expire. Our work is dedicated to a circular, carbon-neutral future. We tackle projects that are at least in part radically different from one another, but never for the price of polluting the environment with new and unnecessary products.
From short lifespan products to superbly designed collections, DONAR's work has garnered industry praise with the Red Dot Design, Circular Design and Green Product Awards, among many others. With creative products such as the eco-friendly Earth Collection made from recycled waste plastic, it proves design has a permanent role in a more responsible future. By being green, creative and smart, DONAR is an example of the innovative Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Find your new purpose in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.